Kapatiran para sa bayan. From west to east. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Ito na po ang ating mga kuya.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Andito na naman po ang Kapatiran para sa bayan.
Mapapanood at mapapakinggan kami via website www.dwic882am.com at i-download ang DWIC app, DWIC 882 sa iOS at Android phone. Live rin via DWIC 882 Facebook page, hotline. Kuya Sherwin, take it away.
Ako po si Attorney Sherwin Enriquez. Ang hotline number po 8470-1750-254 at ang ating text line 0999-376-6768. Go ahead, Kuya Ricky.
Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong likod, Ricky Ko. Nais ko pong batiin si Senator Cheese Escudero, ang ating bagong Senate President. At kuya, pansinin nyo, buti tumila na yung ulan. Huminto na rin sa ibang lugar. At isang araw pala na umuulan, binaha na kagad. Sa tindi ng init ng panahon.
Correct. Yung mga nag-Shriner, congratulations din, Kuya Ricky. Kaso masama, na-stranded.
Na-stranded.
By the way, tayo po ay mapapanood din sa Digital Free TV Aliw 23, Signal Channel 24, TV Plus Channel 27, at GMA Afford the Box Channel 25. Available din po kami sa digital TV devices, TV receivers. Mangyaring iscan lamang po ang inyong digital TV receivers at digital boxes upang mapanood ang Aliw 23.
Yun.
Okay. Hi din po kay Most Worshipful Ariel T. Kayanan.
Yes.
Ang
Magandang gabi.
Gunlads of Masons in the jurisdiction of the Philippines.
So pumasok na tayo sa tag-ulan, no, officially.
Oo.
Oo.
2 days yun, ha? 2
Init
days.
ng mga nakaraan, dami na heat stroke. At
Ngayon, malamig
taglamig
na ulit.
naman.
Malamig
Kaya
na ulit.
medyo marami na rin yung inuubo, sinisipon.
Kaya ako kanina, nagsombrero kagad ako.
Oo, nagbago na yung panahon.
Malamig ang panahon.
Bunbunan, yung bunbunan.
Kailangan may cover.
Correct.
Bibigay naman siya sa akin.
Ayos yan, ayos.
Medyo tumataas din yung rate ng mga
COVID.
nagkakaroon ng COVID.
Oo. May bagong strain yun eh.
Ano pangalan nun?
Flirt daw.
Flirt daw.
Tama.
Ano ba yun?
Flirt.
Linawin nyo. Ano yung flirt sa Tagalog?
Flirt ay isang strain ng virus ngayon ng COVID.
Letter F na ngayon. Dati,
F.
letter E, di ba? Ngayon, flirt.
Ngayon, flirt.
Hindi naman lang sinabi, foxtrot, para at least parang...
Sa bagay, actually, dapat lang mag-ingat tayo. Ugaling pa rin natin maghugas ng kamay.
Yes.
Proper hygiene.
Face mask kung kinakailangan.
Ang pinakamaganda niya, pag masama yung pakiramdam, siguro naman you give due courtesy to others. Kung hindi mo maiwasan lumabas ng bahay, ikaw na mag-face mask sarili.
Tama.
Medyo dumadami na ulit yung mga naka-face mask, napapansin.
Yes, exactly.
Sa mall, marami
Sa
na.
mall, marami na rin.
Hindi, baka naman sila yung carrier, hindi kaya. Or
Baka nag-iingat lang.
Nag-iingat lang.
Either.
Okay.
Pero speaking of kung natin yan, ang dami ng trend because of the technology, di ba?
Yeah.
Including yung mga transportation natin, where do we board, mga ganyan, technology na. Technology driven.
Sabi nga nila, yung convenience in the tip of your fingers na.
Oo, nandyan na lahat.
Your mobile phone, pwede ka
Actually, hindi lang fingers na, Kuya Sherwin. Nasa na. Meron ng bago ngayon eh.
Actually, may good and bad yan di ba?
Yes.
Correct.
Good thing is that it becomes so convenient for us. Di ba? Unlike before, naglalaro ng piko, di ba? Harang-harang. Yeah.
Pero
Parang hindi mo inabutan yun ba?
nabutan ko naman.
Nabutan mo ba? Nabutan ko yun. Kasi sinabi ko piko, tsaka nakatingin kang ganun eh. Sabi ko,
Hindi, nabutan ko yun.
parang same age naman tayo. Nabutan mo sa akin eh.
Nabutan ko naman.
Nabutan mo ba?
Oo, pati yung siyatong, di ba? Yung
siyatong.
dalawang stick.
Pampreso.
Pampreso, yan.
May sipa pa nga no?
Sipa, ano?
Yung tagu-taguan.
Ano yun?
Tsaka yung Kuya Ricky, yung bahay-bahay.
Favorite ni Kuya Ricky na ipento sa akin.
Favorite pa ni Kuya Ricky, bahay-bahayan.
No, bahay-bahayan.
Ano favorite yan?
Ayun
Mga
yung
larong ka, nakakamiss din no?
Pero compare ngayon, hindi na. May mga...
isang bata.
Digital na din.
Digital
Isang
na.
bata, sabi nung nakaraan, may narinig ako eh. Sabi niya, Dati nga kami, pager lang. Sabi nung,
Ano yun?
Sabi nung bata. Nakasimangot pa. Ano kaya yun? Pager.
Parang ano yan, pocket bell, easy bell. Yan, ganun. Pager, pager.
Shout out natin yung
Liner, one-liner lang yung mga yun.
Dati mga doktor kasi, di ba? Pati emergency.
Yes.
Beeper.
Wala na. Pag inooperahan ka, sabihin siya, ano ba nangyari dyan?
Bibip na lang
Video
sa'yo.
call na.
I-video call lang, titin mo, ganito gawin mo dyan. Yung sa kaliwa, tanggalin mo yung sa kanan.
Correct. Binibidyo na lang to.
Yan ang advanced technology.
That's correct.
Advantage.
That's correct.
So yun yung magiging topic natin tonight.
Yeah.
Digital.
Has something to do with convenience with the use of technology.
Ano ba yan?
Yes,
Pagkain?
yes.
Travel? Ano ba? Moving? Ano ba yan?
Moving. Going
Moving
from
to,
one place to
moving to.
another. Moving
okay.
from one
Mamaya,
place to
bigay
another.
natin yung kompletong detalye pagdating ng guest natin.
Oo.
Medyo na
Yes.
delay lang na konti.
Oo, hindi yata.
That's correct.
Advanced technology, pero yung traffic nandiyan pa.
Iyan, nandyan pa.
Sana sumabay, ano?
Sana,
Sumabay yung
sana.
traffic na wala.
Ako, solusyon sa traffic, dapat, alam po, sa traffic, kailangan si, si Kuya Jerry.
Iyan.
Marami siyang suggestions sa traffic, di ba?
Traffic siren.
Sa tingin ko, maliban sa magdagdag ng kalsada, no?
Kuya Ricky, sana naririnig tayo, no?
Yeah.
Yung mga kinaukulan.
Oo, ganun lang yan.
Para, pakinggan tayo.
Yeah,
Maganda
darating
yung
din yan, darating.
Darating din.
pakinggan tayo at malaman ang plano natin at, pwede natin i-appoint yan, no?
Ganun pala, no?
May mga bakante.
Kung may bakante. Okay.
Very much available po kaming apat.
Yeah.
At this point, unemployed po kami. Wala pang employment.
Yeah.
Baka meron kayong mga activities na parating na for the month of June or this week.
Wala naman.
Wala.
Meron ka ba?
Siguro yung iano ko lang, yung mga magbayad ng renta doon sa
CMT.
Capital Masonic Temple.
Yo.
Kasi ako yung building administrator.
Di pa ba nagbabayad?
Putulan ng aircon yan.
Administrator. Putulan mo ng aircon.
Hindi,
Tanggalan
sabi
ng-
ko nga,
Tanggalan mo ng plaka.
no payment, no meeting, stated meeting.
Ganon.
Ayun.
Oo.
So siguro, time check muna tayo.
7:11 ng gabi, magbabalik po ang kapatiran para sa bayan.
Di ba Kuya Sherwin, yung ating kanina topic is more on the digitalization.
Yes, yung convenience ng
yes, convenience.
mga services ngayon.
Yes, and when we're talking about the commuters especially, so may convenience na rin sa kanila. It's just one click away using their cell phone.
Siguro let's give it to Attorney Teddy para ipakilala kung sino yung guest natin.
Yes.
Kung bakit
Yung nga
nandito sila ngayon.
Actually, Kuya Sherwin, good evening po sa lahat ng kapatid at ateng natin ngayon. Yung main guest natin ngayon is the CEO of the first 100% pure Pinoy ride-hailing app na Pick
Pure
Up.
Pinoy.
Unfortunately, he was just asked, we have a partner, he was asked to go to Hong Kong today. So that's the bad news. The good news is, I got his better half to join us. Who is the ambassadress for the Pick Up ad. She needs no introduction. Let's all welcome Miss Ara Mina.
Ayan, ang dami kong role.
I know.
Ayan, so good evening to all the viewers and listeners of DWIZ.
And Aliu, 23.
Aliu 23, yes.
Yes.
So, while we're at this now, Ara, why don't you tell us, ano ba itong business na you started with your husband and other partners? Itong Pick Up.
In fact, we founded A-Force Ventures Incorporated. He's the founder and I'm the co-founder. And ito yung
Baby nyo.
baby namin. Isa sa, ito
Isa
yung
sa baby nyo.
Ito yung baby namin. And isa sa business na unang nilaunch, itong Pick Up. Which is, we have a partner, our CFO, si Jason Chua. And nung napag-usapan nga itong new ride-hailing app, hindi na kami nagdalawang isip. Kasi matagal na naman din dapat na meron ng panibago. Kumbaga, para mas maraming choices ang mga Filipino. 'Diba? Yun.
Pero Ara, napaka-risky nito kasi we know there's competitors before. Ngayon isang major na lang, 'di ba? Tapos ngayon papasok kayo. What do you think got Dave and you and your partners to really come in and say, "Oh, ito alternative." Mada-download ba to, by the way, sa...
Well, because Filipino is looking for for options. Kaya lang wala talagang option. So, talagang lakas loob. And then we believe also sa Pick Up, yung na-develop nating app. And mas nakaka-relate tayo because this is owned by Pinoy. And mas nakaka-relate tayo sa mga drivers, sa mga partner drivers natin, and sa mga commuters. Ma-address natin agad yung mga concerns kasi kapwa Pinoy ang may-ari.
So what do you cater, Ara? People, goods, or both?
People muna.
People muna.
So this is another option to our riding public. Kung gusto nila mamili.
Pero malamang in due time, mag-aano din to in some sort of delivery service din, parang yung ibang other competitors, no?
Basta focus muna kami sa
Rider.
sa pagpapadami ng mga riders, drivers, driver partners natin. Kasi kailangan focus muna tayo sa isang entity and before tayo mag-diversify into something else.
Okay.
And then and natutuwa yung iba pag naririnig nila, ay talaga, may bago? Oh,
And Ara, I think they can easily download, di ba po?
yes, it's free.
You can download it whether it's on Apple, iOS, or yung
Android.
isa.
So at least siguro give her the opportunity to specify kung ano yung dapat na i-download.
Nako, sa lahat ng mga Android and iOS, iPhone users, you can download the Peek app. Ayan.
It's P-E-E-K
P-E-E-K
UP.
UP. Ayan.
Yan.
Yun lang po ang spelling niyan. Sobrang dali lang po.
So madaling hanapin, tapos i-download lang nila yung
Pick up.
application.
Yes.
Then sign up.
Yes.
How about ma'am yung mga yung mga gusto maging partner sa inyo, yung mga rider?
They can download the driver Pick Up app. So they can apply from there. And then follow nila kami sa Facebook page, and we have also Instagram account, and then may mag-a-assist naman po sa
Online na rin ang application.
Halos lahat.
yes, halos lahat. And then nag-a-announce po ang Pick Up ng yung mga onboarding dates, kung baga pwede ka mag-apply. May mga sites kami, may mga lugar.
Nasa app.
Ina-announce doon din sa social media.
Okay.
Kung kailan yung date na pwedeng para ma-assist sila ng mga staff.
So may Facebook page ang i-pick up.
Meron Pick Up, and Pick Up Official also sa Instagram.
Okay.
Incidentally, I remember me and si Ateng Bani, we visited you during one of your orientations sa Amoranto Stadium a few weeks back.
Yes.
Ang dami ng driver Parang congratulations for that. So marami na yung drivers nyo ngayon.
Yes, sobrang nakakatuwa yung response. In fact, sumusuporta lang ako at ambassadress lang ako, but of course, syempre nagkukwentuhan kami ng husband ko, and nakikibalita ako, and pumupunta rin ako sa mga minsan, na-tsyempohan ako ng mga nag-a-apply. Nakikita nila ako doon. Pag free ako, sumisilip ako. And chinecheck ko, like sa SM Aura, naka-drop by din ako doon.
Libreng photo op. Di ba?
Yun.
Double purpose na.
Natutuwa kami kasi ang namin talaga, ang goal din namin kasi yung mabilis yung process. Hindi sila paghintayin ng matagal. And syempre, tama yung process natin.
Okay. So siguro dun tayo sa how is it started? How did it start as a corporation, as a business? or a partnership, whatever it is.
Well, we started...
Paano nyo nakuha yung idea?
Yes,
yung,
yes.
Yung idea is from our friend, Dave's friend, si Jason Chua.
Your CFO, Chief
Yes,
Financial
our
Officer.
CFO. Kasi meron kami mga naka-line up ni Dave na i-up namin din na business. Yan, for, technology.
Yes.
And then, nung nag-usap sila, sabi nga niya, mag-ano na tayo ng ride-hailing app, ganyan. And then, yun, nung napag-usapan namin ng husband ko, sabi ko, go, sige, unahin nyo na yan. Makakapag-antay naman tong iba natin. And, kasi naka-ready na naman yung iba. So, yan.
And it was in the background of Dave because he used to
Yeah.
head the Philippine International Trade Center.
Yes.
Diba? So, may we can say na yan, background niya. So,
Yeah.
tamang-tama, di ba? So, I guess when you pushed him, ayan na, game na.
Oo, sabi ko, go for it. Kasi, it used to be talaga nasa business talaga siya before he enters into politics. Before. So, sabi ko, total, ang dami rin naman, ito yung, ng E-Force Ventures to venture in some mga businesses and kung ano pa yung mga ipuput up. Like ako, more on entertainment and lifestyle and beauty.
So, you're going into other ventures rin as part of your
Yes,
portfolio.
marami kaming naka-line up, but one at a time. So, support muna ako dito sa
Pick Up.
Isa na nga ako sa ambassadress.
At malaking pagsasalamat namin that you're available because si Dave has to, unfortunately, our regular
Fly
guest
out, yeah.
has to be in Hong Kong now. Just today.
Yeah, kasi hindi maiwasan bigla ang schedule kailangan may i-attend niya yung doon.
Partner meeting.
Yeah, partner meeting niya doon. So, maganda yung reception ng mga customers and ng mga driver natin, partners.
Pero right
sa
now,
Pick Up.
you're operating within the Metro
Yes, we are
Manila.
operating
Wala
na
pa
po.
sa probinsya.
Wala pa. Ano lang muna tayo.
Metro Manila lang.
Metro
Metro
Manila.
Manila.
In the nearby provinces.
We're, yung Bulacan, Cavite. Nag-ano na
Ma'am,
rin.
balisan po ang office nito kung if ever na gusto pong pumunta ng mga ibang rider, makita, mabisit nila yung office.
Ang office natin ay dyan sa BGC.
Yun.
Oo.
Taguig.
Sa Taguig.
Makukuha nila yung address sa Facebook page
Yes.
ng Pick Up.
Compared dun sa mga ibang ride-hailing app, how does Pick Up differs from the rest?
I can say we're cheaper. Mga 50 to 150 pesos.
Oh, okay.
So, yun ang
Yeah.
comparative advantage. Ayos.
Kumbaga parang magugulat ka din talaga sa price. Pero syempre hindi natin masasabi minsan iba-ibang sinasabi ng tao, but from our end it's cheaper talaga.
Cheaper.
Oo.
And do you accept also yung mga 2-3 passengers in one?
We have four passengers, four-seater and
Yes,
six-seaters, and we also have taxi.
Galing.
Yeah.
Galing. Medyo mas parang updated at saka medyo advanced ng konti.
Yeah,
Kaysa sa
and
mga competitor.
Marami pang pinaplano ang CEO at ang CFO ng Pick Up na gagawin sa Pick Up na matutuwa ang mga kapwa
So
Filipino
this is
natin.
just the start.
Yes.
I was talking to Dave nga. I think kasi na-emphasize yung tech. Meron na algorithm, di ba?
Yeah.
To give them the most efficient and cost-effective rides.
Ayun yun.
Pero sinasabi ni Dave, I don't know if you can confirm this, na actually yung tech, that's not your competitive advantage. Yung tech, what you really want to highlight here is that the drivers that you pick dapat
Decente. Ganun.
they have to be service oriented.
Yes.
One, and two, the real focus is safety. If
Yes,
you go
yung
inside the
safe.
pickup car,
Yeah.
you're you know,
Secured.
talagang accredited yung, that's why ang daming
Oo.
Documentary
regulation, di ba?
requirements,
Sa,
Ang dam-
when I was with you sa Amoranto, grabe.
Ang daming mga kailangan. So,
So may emphasis on safety, di ba?
yes. At saka very hands-on si Dave, the CEO of Pickup. Talagang siya mismo nag-orient sa ating mga drivers partners.
Hands-on, si Sir.
Hanson, ang ganda.
Since we're on that topic, if I can, if you will permit me to ask, so how did you and Dave end up meeting? Ano na muna tayo? I hope you don't mind.
What do you mean?
In terms of, you and Dave ending up together.
Kami, paano, hindi naman ako sumakay ng pickup, Nedjo.
I was hoping you were going there.
No, bali, I met him sa event. Sa basketball event niya. Actually, late ako noon kasi I came from North. And then, yung event niya South. Wala pang hindi pa open ang Skyway that time. So, super duper.
And what made you notice him?
Okay naman, mabait. Tapos,
Yeah,
hindi
I can
naman kami.
Parang showbiz na to.
Akala ko public service. So,
No, but I'm just highlighting from my own experience with Dave is the reason why I think yung the ride-hailing app will is because yung for dedication niya to the safety and the fact na the customer experience.
Yes.
And I think you can see that in him, di ba?
Kasi kahit mismo siya, in fact, wala po siyang driver. So, siya po mismo nag-ride ng pick-up. And pag ako...
Na-booking na yung mga drivers ngayon. Magtataka na yung mga driver ngayon kung nasa likod si Dave. Di ba?
Actually, nagugulat sila minsan. Kasakay namin yung CEO. At saka yung CFO, minsan kasabay nila.
Tinetest, oo.
And then, ako naman, minsan, at least may backup na ako. Kasi, yung driver ko, minsan nagkakasakit, diba? Dahil sa trabaho namin.
Yes.
At least, meron akong safe
Second
na
option. To pick up.
And the times you've used it naman, Ara, mabilis.
Oo.
I think they're trying to focus on the customer waiting time, di ba?
Yes, oo. Basta, naman kami, pag mabilis ang response ng pick-up, syempre, it's a new app. And then, pag ibig sabihin, walang pumipick up, ibig sabihin, walang driver pa doon or malayo pa.
O baka peak hours or something na
peak
gano'n.
hours.
For those who haven't used it yet, I'm just curious. So, just so we can educate those who haven't used it yet, how can they pay? On the app, how does it go?
Cash, tapos GCash.
So you can book and then you can just pay. Kung ayaw mo mag-credit card, you can
Yes.
just pay the driver directly with cash,
Yes.
diba?
Okay.
So, ayan pick up. So, madaling-madali lang mag-register.
Pwede ba natin ipa-close?
Tapos,
nga.
Ma'am?
Hindi makita.
Para makita.
But this can be readily downloaded
Yes.
in all iOS and Android devices.
Just type pick up.
P-E-E-K.
Dire-diretso, no? Dire-diretso siya.
Like now, eto, may available na pickup compact for 4-seater and 6-seaters.
Oh.
Ayan, papuntang BGC. Ayan yung presyo niya.
So may carpooling din siya. Yun?
Going to
There you go.
BGC is like,
Oo nga.
how much?
Papuntang BGC yung 6-seater natin, 211.
211.
Wow.
Imagine.
Mas cheaper nga.
6-seater yun, ha?
Competitive talaga,
Yeah.
6-seater.
Sulit.
Sulit, oh.
Especially kung grupo kayo.
Yes.
Dalawa yung medyo available in this area.
So how many drivers do you have now? Would you know the rate of scale up?
As of today, nasa 10,000 na yung applicants.
Dami na.
Ang dami.
Oo.
So
But
hopefully the
meron
response time, di ba?
Meron nang
Will be faster.
yung applicants 10,000 but yung rider nagda-drive na is I think nasa 1,000 eh.
So,
Wow.
There's also a rejection rate kasi obviously we can't
Yes,
accept.
yes.
not all applicants would be allowed to
And
to drive.
marami na ring nag-download ng
Baka masyadong technical na. But can I ask, ano yung requirements? Let's say ako, marami sa audience natin ngayon, mga
Interesado, siyempre.
driver. Oo.
Siyempre,
driver
siyempre.
ngayon. Ano yung requirements? Baka you can,
Okay, ang mga requirements
para lang malaman nila.
hindi ko siya masyado kabisado.
Siguro
but-
number one
but
dyan,
I have a file here.
Sige, sige.
Yung number one, professional driver's
mahanap
license.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
marami sa audience natin ngayon is on the road,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
And you know,
They're listening also.
they might be available to
Interested.
be a driver. All they have to go is go to the Facebook page of PEEK app, and the
Yes.
requirements are there.
At saka nasa rin siya, yun nga, Facebook and sa IG, Instagram, naka-post doon yung mga requirements for taxi, for TNVS na existing.
TNVS is
TNVS, yung for example, yung car mo, gusto
Yung
mo
private
i-register
na
sa
car.
atin. And then, if you're new TNVS, andun din yung requirements.
Okay.
okay. So para lang ma-clear, yung you can be a driver or you can register the car or both. Ganun ba yun?
Yes, pwede mo i-register yung yung car mo, ikaw magda-drive
Or ibang tao.
or
if you
ibang
wanna-
tao. Usually kasi ang nangyayari, yung asawa yung operator, tas driver yung asawa.
Okay.
Oo nga naman.
Yun ang-
Marami tayong nalalaman ngayon.
Yun ang mostly nangyayari. And then we accept all lady drivers also.
Ayun.
Eto, pag if you're existing TNVS, official receipt and car registration, professional driver's license, fit to
Number
work
one talaga yun.
certificate, 60 years old and above, NBI clearance, COVID-19 vaccination card, or
The fit to work
vaccination
certificate is only for if you're 60 old.
For
years
senior
old.
citizens.
Yeah,
Senior citizen.
yeah.
For senior, tama,
For
tama.
senior citizen. Then bank details or GCash, provisional
Para mabayaran
authority, yes, or CPC, insurance, PAMI or SCCI. Yan
Yun na
yung para sa mga TNVS. And then
And it
for
can be submitted online. Online lang, okay na. Or you have to submit it the hard copy.
the hard copy also, pwede silang pumunta sa office o kaya
Alam ko may orientation din, di ba?
yes, oo,
Yung sa
kasi for
Armamento
the
Stadium, ang dami nila eh.
orientation.
Yeah.
And then para sa mga bagong TNVS, if for example you have a car na gusto nyong i-partner sa pickup, gusto nyong i-join, at wala pa kayong experience, ito ang mga requirements. Official receipt or car registration, professional driver's license, fit to work certificate, yung mga 60 years old and above, NBI clearance and police clearance, COVID-19 vaccination card or VaxCert, bank details, 4 copies of verified application form can be downloaded dun sa ltfrb.gov.ph /downloadable form central. Must be notarized. Attestation as to the authenticity and truthfulness of the documents submitted. Certificate of business name in DTI. Proof of Filipino citizenship, birth certificate, passport, or any valid government ID. And proof of existence and sufficiency of garage. If the applicant is the owner, TCT, tax declaration in the name of the applicant. If the applicant is not the owner, notarized contract of lease, authority to use with proof of financial capability. Stamp receipt of latest income tax return or certificate registration, transportation as line of business. If newly registered operator, proof of bank deposit of 20,000 pesos per unit.
So case to case yan. Hindi
SPA.
naman yun lahat na...
Hindi naman
Depends.
yan.
Depende kung ano yung...
It depends. But mas better kung punta na lang sila dun sa pag may orientation, mas madali.
And
Yes,
these,
And ma-assist pa sila.
Ma'am,
these orientations are, they can access yung schedule sa Facebook
Yes.
page ng Pick Up.
Yes, pick up.
Lagay lang Pick Up lang.
Meron pa tayong bagong schedule ng sa Amoranto when? May 29 and 30. Ayan.
Ayun, yun.
May 29 and 30
Please
po naman
announce
sila.
to the public. May 29.
May 29 and 30. 9 a.m., 1 p.m., and 4 p.m.
Amoranto Stadium, Quezon City.
May 29 and May 30, 9 a.m., 1 p.m., 4 p.m. So they can go, mamili sila dun sa 3 oras na minention ko.
Yun.
Kasi yun yung
3 times slots.
Natatakot ako, baka itong 3, mawalan ako ng...
Pwede ba?
Bago nang hanap buhay.
May motor pa naman ako.
Actually nga po
Pwede na
tinatanong
double
ng
job.
mga viewers natin online, si Sir Raymond Lozano and Sam Darwin Delupio gusto daw pong magpasok ng motor. Pwede daw po ba?
Wala pa ho tayong sa motor.
Yun.
Opo.
Kailangan kotse.
Kotse lang
Kotse.
po.
Kotse lang.
Kotse,
So darating
kotse lang po.
tayo
At
dyan.
saka tag-ulan na po ngayon. Nakakatakot po magkasakit. Opo. So, kotse lang po ang...
So yung minimum requirements, at least mga 4-wheel,
4
Yes
wheels.
po.
For now.
For now.
Pero malamang mag-expand pa yan, no? So waiting lang po kayo, Sir Raymond and Sir Sam.
Correct. Oo.
Ayun. So, yung mga gustong maging driver partner natin, punta lang po kayo sa Amoranto this May 29 and May 30 po.
9 a.m., 1 p.m. and
9, 1, and 4 p.m.
4
sa May 29 and May 30.
So, where is...
Nandun mismo ang CEO.
si Dave para ma-meet na rin
At
nila.
ang CFO.
At ang ambassadress.
Kailan ba nagsimula ito, Ara, itong pick-up?
Nag-grand launch kami ng April 30.
Nandun ako.
2024.
April 30 this year. But
So less than a month.
before,
Less than a month lang, ha?
pero bago po siya ni-launch, maraming testing ang ginawa. Kaya naman po tayo nakakuha ng permit
Yes.
para mag-ride at mag-accept na ng customer dahil
Yes.
pumasa naman po tayo sa requirements nila. So, it takes mga 10 months in the making. 10 months in the making yung pick up.
So
To
what
get
are
all
your
the regulatory
aspirations now, considering na very successful yung launching nyo?
Nakakatuwa yung pag-accept ng mga kapwa Filipino natin kasi at least meron na tayong sariling car ride hailing na Filipino-owned.
Yun.
Diba? Na nakaka-proud kasi led by mga Filipino talaga.
And you really need drivers. Sabi sa akin ni Dave kasi nagsa-scale up sila eh.
Yes.
Ang bilis eh. So eventually hindi lang Metro Manila, di ba?
Ang dami na kasi nag-download na mga customers. So, kailangan namin talaga ng mga driver partners.
Do you have an idea where you're gonna expand after beyond Metro Manila? Nasa Bulacan and Cavite na, pwede na, di ba?
Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, Rizal.
So gradually.
Gradually pa ganun na. And hopefully, maging
Parang
nationwide.
Greater Manila area na.
Oo. And hopefully, maging nationwide.
What about in other chartered cities like
Northern
Cebu, Davao? Wala
Maganda rin. Oo, maganda rin. Pwede rin tayo pumunta dyan. Oo. Kasi Pilipinas pa rin yan. At kailangan na rin yung mga city na yan. Sobrang parang Manila na rin.
Yeah.
Congested na rin.
Oo, parang like Cebu, like kailangan nila talaga ng mga rides.
Yes,
I'm curious, Cara. So now that this is your first 3 months of operations, how is the feedback naman of the actual riders?
Magandang feedback. Meron nga daw this community page, nakakwento lang naman sa akin. Wala naman ako dun sa community.
Yung siguro experience nila doon sa sila ng pick up.
No. Uy, ang dami kong booking kahapon. Yung mga ganon, kinukwento lang nung driver ko. So, meron daw, mga nakaano daw siya, ang dami niyang booking.
So very happy experiences we're looking at.
14? Naka-14 rides daw siya.
One day.
Oo,
In one day.
3 days?
3 hours.
In 3 hours.
In 3
Ang galing,
hours. So,
Mawawalan ako ng kuang.
Oo.
in 3 hours daw. Siguro baka malalapit lang siguro yung yung
Okay,
mga
so very
niya.
interesting yung topic but we have to cut muna
Time
for
check.
a while. Time check muna tayo.
7:45 ng gabi, magbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan.
Okay, nagbabalik po ang Kapatiran sa Bayan. Masyadong mainit yung topic natin ngayon.
Pati
Hindi lang ride-hailing, hanap buhay.
Yes.
Diba?
Pati showbiz kasama.
Bago mawala itong tatlong co-actor ko, maybe we can also, since we're talking about showbiz, baka we
Yes.
can focus naman. Baka you have your own personal projects, Sarah. You wanna highlight?
Yes, marami talaga. Of course, meron akong sisimulan na series sa ibang station. Everyday series siya. And then ano pa ba?
Alam ko marami kang concerts. You've never let go of the concert circuit.
I just signed again sa Star Music. So I have a new single, We Were Meant to Be, composed by Martin Rivera.
Uy.
And then
It's new single.
yeah, it's a new single na ni-record ko ulit. It's my single before na hindi na-release dun sa first
Okay.
album ko. And then I have my 30th anniversary concert.
Dapat yan natin para malaman ng fans mo.
Sa July 11 na po yan sa Newport Theater, Performing Arts Theater, July 11.
And where can they get tickets?
They can get ticket sa Ticket World or just simply message 0917-845-0979
Or Ticket World
or
online.
Ticket World online or SM Tickets.
July 11.
July 11. So it's my about my journey sa showbiz industry. And then may mga surprise guest din. Pero syempre kasama na din yung kapatid ko, si Christine Reyes. Also Martin Rivera will be there also.
Yung anchors din po ng DW.
Baka kailangan mo ng mga
Wag
extra.
tayo muna ha.
Nandito lang kami.
Dito muna tayo mag-driver.
No, but it has been for you, I guess, personally. It has been what a journey from showbiz and now into IT applications, di ba?
Yes.
Ano bang napaka ng
It's a different side of me. Kumbaga, ito yung business world. Ito naman yung this is what I love doing talaga from since I was 14 years old. And sa mga hindi nakakapanood na kumakanta ng live, they can watch me on July 11.
Yun.
So they can watch me perform.
I can attest that me and Ateng, during the launch of Pick Up, kumanta siya.
Thank
Wow.
you.
Primarily for Dave. So,
It's
Galing.
different lang din talaga pag concert kasi this is my second major solo concert. So yung last solo concert ko was in Araneta Coliseum.
Yes.
Yung Loving Ara. It's my 15th anniversary concert naman.
Wow.
So, nag-major solo concert lang ako pag ganito, yung
Yes.
big anniversary.
Oh.
once every few years.
Okay, so after the show business naman, ano naman tayo? Kasi may gustong itanong si Kuya Ricky kanina ineko niya sa akin. Baka masagot mo daw yung, alam mo naman sa mga ganyan na online application, yung may time to wait.
Anong
Yung mga
time to
driver
wait?
like in 5 minutes, kung hindi, may penalty yan or so how
Yung driver mag-wait,
halimbawa yung kunwari nandun sa
aantayin yung customer or yung customer?
yung customer
So,
halimbawa
may booking na.
may booking na nakabook na
Naghihintay ng
nandun,
customer.
so how many or how much time do you have to wait para to charge it kung halimbawa hindi naka-arrive yon or the other way around yung driver naman na sinabi nandun na sa 5 minutes pero wala pa rin
Parang,
Wala pa rin
parang
siya.
for now, wala pa tayong mga charge sa ganun.
Sa pick-up, wala
Oo, sa
pa.
pick-up.
Which is good kasi alam
Which is
ko.
Parang
good, tama.
walang
Iba,
kailangang i-charge.
Okay.
Nasa, yun yung tinitrain yata sa driver na tamang communication
Oh.
sa customer. If matatagalan, kanyo, mahihintay nyo po ba? Kumbaga magiging honest yung driver na siguro mga 15 minutes pa po ako dyan. If you can still wait for me. Ganon.
Wow.
So, walang charge.
Galing ah.
So maganda yung personality development side ng ng
Yes.
pick-up.
Kumbaga hindi lang basta ito kumbaga I can say pick up has a heart. Has a heart.
Ayun.
No, I think
to summarize
Business
it.
with a heart.
It's
Business with a heart.
Talagang
Business
pinupush.
with a heart.
Pinupush
Yeah.
nga yung the
Yes,
fact na
yes.
yung
That's good. That's good.
service orientation at
Yes.
saka yung which is business with the heart. You have to treat them well if you expect them na may service orientation.
kumbaga parang-
at saka safety.
Kailangan yung 5-star service. Kumbaga yung
What is that 5-star service?
Yung
Can you
ganon,
say?
yung respetuhan, yung parang, yun, mag-uusap kayo, hindi kailangan bawat kilos may charge.
Yeah.
At saka yung driver hindi masungit pag pumasok ka na.
Yes, oo.
Stress-free. Ika ka.
Yes,
Wala
yes.
stress yung sarili.
Point stress.
Always smile. Even if
Oo.
you...
Yes, always smile. Kailangan
Correct,
Cheerful.
naka-smile. Hindi,
Lalo na kung nakapaskil din yung brand ambassadors, no?
Yun.
Sa harap, okay.
Kasi 'di ba parang minsan nga pag nakasalubong ka ng taong nakasmile kahit hindi maganda araw mo, gaganda
Nakaka-smile.
araw mo, 'di ba?
Correct, correct.
Pero pag nakasalubong ka ng
Si Ma'am.
ano yung sag
Grouchy.
Kasi
nakakasira na.
Yes. Nakakahawa.
Oo, kumbaga dapat maganda ang vibes. So, 'yun, sa pick up, 'yun ang isa sa ino-orient ng ating CEO.
Ma'am, may nagtanong po dito si David Hans Parungaw. Tinatanong po niya kung meron daw pong CCTV sa loob ng car, if ever, for security purposes.
Wala pa namang ganong CCTV. Oo.
pero screen I think yung mga cars, 'di ba? Kasi iba
Depende sa yung usually kasi ang mga cars natin may mga dashboard,
Yun,
dashcam, dashboard tuloy,
Looking out.
dashcam.
Yeah.
Pero for
traffic.
for pag sa mga aksidente, diba? Pero para magkaroon ng cam sa inside, parang hindi yata
Tsaka
I'm not really
Privacy.
sure.
May privacy, yung right to privacy.
I'm not
Privacy
really
issue.
sure sa LTFRB kung
Hindi, tsaka
allowed yun.
bawal yun eh.
Yung nga eh.
Paano
Yun sa loob.
privacy ng tao?
Oo, hindi ko alam yun. Baka
But-
mamaya tutulog ka nga.
Pero may dashcam talaga for safety ano. 'Di ba
Para-
ano may dashcam tayo?
Yung dashcam.
Yes, oh, yung
So,
for
provided,
traffic.
provided.
I don't know, I'm really familiar with the rules of,
I don't think that's allowed.
Oo, parang hindi naman yata
Data
siguro.
privacy.
Data privacy,
Oo.
siyempre.
Oo.
Pero individually, pang ano din sa driver and passenger siguro, ano din ano.
Tingnan natin, pero you have to deal with the other laws eh.
To double check the technicalities on that.
So,
Yeah.
gusto namin matagal pa.
Kasi
Ay, okay
pero
lang.
Kaya lang.
Yung oras,
Eto
a
na
little
naman.
time. Too little for Ara this time.
It's okay. And thank you for having us. Yun po, sana po suportahan nyo po ang sariling atin, ang pick up, dahil marami pong matutulungan ito at para sa ikagagaan ng mga bawat isa. Diba?
So, ayun.
Baka may gusto kong ibati.
Oo, batiin.
Shout out.
Mga makalimutan mo, patay.
Hindi, gusto kong batiin ang CEO ng pick up. Hello, I miss you. Siyempre, ang
In Hong Kong now.
ang CFO, si Jason Chua, if you're watching, hello also, and kay Katrina. And sa lahat ng viewers ng DWIZ, please follow me on Instagram, The Real Aramina, and my Facebook page, Aramina, and my TikTok account, The Real Aramina, and Aramina channel on my YouTube channel. Of course, supportan niyo po yung mga show ko, Magandang Araw, Private Time, Pajak Princess, and July 11, Aramina All of Me, my 30th anniversary concert. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Ara.
Yes, Erwin.
Ako, shout out daw sa kay Boss Art Gilirates ng Housing Department, kay John Jing, kay Jem Pañero, kay Papay, kay Jomar Dizon, kay Joan Dizon. Sa aking mga anak, si Sean, si Sofia, si Shane, tsaka si Santi.
Okay. Ako naman, anak ko, si Iya, tsaka si Emil. Congratulations. At least you made the knighthood, which is yung sa Demolay. Order of Demolay.
Congratulations.
Napakahirap nun. I-memorize mo yung buong libro, but he did it. Thank you. Congratulations.
Po. Siyempre, batiin ko din po ang aking mag-ina na nasa labas ng bansa ngayon. Magandang umaga po sa inyo dyan. Kay Ethel, kay Caleb, kay Mikay and Maya. Happy viewing po sa buong Pilipinas at sa labas ng bansa.
Ako naman, first of all, I would like to thank so much for her support. My master and commander, who I am looking at right now, Ateng Bani, who is here, also my mini boss, Ellie, who is watching now. I also like to thank Dave for the opportunity to have, if we couldn't have you today, at least we have your better half. Thank you so much, and we hope to have you here again. And most of all also, malaking pasasalamat po sa ating mga kapatid at mga ateng all across the country for watching us. So your support and your viewing means a lot to us. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat sa ating mga tech engineers, kay Algen Cruz, kay Chat Josue, kay Kay Constantino.
Writer, Haya Lodifico, CA Daniela de Guzman.
So next program po tayo, Pangga Ruth Abaw, live kasama si Pangga Nika. Happy birthday pala kay Mama Beth Samson and Palengke Queen ng DWIZ and Aliw Channel 23. May gano'n na.
Happy birthday!
Okay, magbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan next week.
Next week.
Very interesting din po ang topic next week.
With surprise guests sometimes.
Yes.
You
Ito
never
po ulit
know.
si Atty. Jerry Sadsad.
Kuyang Doc Joppy Fermin.
Kuya Teddy Calao.
Attorney Sherwin Enriquez po.
Maraming salamat. To God be the glory.